Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track productivity with RescueTime. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So simply to track your productivity with RescueTime, you need to install your device. So if you have it installed, you can simply get started with it. So now as you get inside your RescueTime account, you need to let the app run for a few days to automatically collect data on which websites and application you use. After this, you need to adjust your productivity categories, and then you can get detailed report, productivity pulses, and goals and alerts as well. After this, if you have premium account, you can manually log time spent away from your computer, such as in meetings or on phone calls, to get more complete picture of your workday. So to improve your productivity with focus sessions, start a session and set your parameters. You need to always stay on task and review your progress as well. So by doing this, you will be able to track your productivity with the app called RescueTime. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.